What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the show. I hope y'all are having a good one. It's a beautiful day here in Colorado, which means it's the perfect day to do some maintenance on the Mini. The Mini needs some exhaust work done. Also, man, it is a mess. So whenever I fire the car up, listen. Yeah, that is not an enjoyable noise. So I'm like 99.9% certain the issue is the exhaust is hitting on the rear chassis brace all the way back there. And that's a pretty easy fix, but it means I have to lift the car up, and that's a little bit of a pain in the butt. But we gotta fix it because it's so much more annoying to deal with that than just fix it. Give me this. Oh, you're stuck. Here, ow. Got a broom? That's gross. Get out there. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, garage is a little bit cleaner now. I won't feel as bad about climbing around on the ground. Right, next you gotta grab my wood.
That's what she said.
Stuff is damp. Yeah, that's damp. It's been moist here in Colorado. All right, got the wood, got my jack stands, got my jack, got my tools. Let's put the car in the garage. Once again, fired up. It's so bad. Okay, take the wood, chuck it underneath the car's wheels like so, and then we'll pull it on top of the wood. And this wood is because I can't actually fit the jack underneath my car, and my car's not even lowered. That's an issue. So once I lower my car, which is gonna happen at some point this summer, I'm not getting it in the air. I'm gonna have to buy a low profile jack, and that's gonna be really expensive, and I don't wanna do that. So the bolts I need to tighten are these ones. Where are they? Those ones right there in the middle. Those right there. I think that's a bolt. I can't tell what I'm looking at. That's what I need to tighten. So I'm gonna jack up the driver's side of the car first, see if I can reach it without having to jack up the passenger side. And if I do have to jack up the passenger side, oh well. Right about there. Bump. Get this lined up. Right there. Oh, it's about halfway. Oh. Hello. Wheels off the ground. Here's the issue. High profile jack. Small car. Keep going. That's one. Slowly lower the car. Really slowly. Nice. That's lined up good. Lower it. Cool. That's on jack stands. Push test, most important thing when you're getting underneath the car. She's not falling. We're good. Probably shouldn't have put my foot under the tire when I was doing that. Okay, don't need you right now. Want this. Through. And what do I need? I think I need a 17. Maybe it's a 16. I don't know. Let's grab the 16 and actually let's grab the deep 16. Got a deep 16 in here somewhere. 16 deep. Let's try this. Take off the hat. No, it was a 17. I was right. This. Oh, hello, microphone. Sound quality is going to turn to crap for a second. Okay, I've taken off the microphone, so the sound quality is going to be terrible. But you see how that's kind of falling out? That's not supposed to be like that. That means that the axle back and stuff is moving back. And that's not what I want, because that's hitting back there on that rear chassis brace. Right there. You can't see because it won't. It's hitting on that thing right there, causing all the rattling, which is not good. It also looks like it's resting on the middle chassis brace. I also need the smaller one. Yeah. Grab 17. Okay. Yep, that's it. All right, cool. Let's loosen this, pull this forward, tighten it back up. Should be unloosened. That's not unloosened. Oh God. I thought I cranked that down enough, but very clearly I didn't. Oh, it's stuck. Okay. Ugh. Let's pull that up and back. Car just made a noise. Slip that tight, pull the car up, and that's much better. Okay. Ow, oh, shoulder hurting a lot. Getting back underneath here, you see that right there? That is what was causing all that noise. So if I go hop in the car now, theoretically, it shouldn't rattle, theoretically. So the only loss I have is now my exhausts are flush instead of sticking out a little bit. It's a cost I'm willing to pay to not lose my freaking sanity. Let's try this. Let's get it on the ground and then let's try it. Push this forward. That is not centered. Oh, hello, spider. Yep. Bye-bye, spider. There we go. Let's crank it up. Ooh, yeah, no, that's not centered. That's just pull this way by that much. Drop it back down. Front on the ground. Rear on the ground. Thank you. All right, moment of truth. Fired up. No rattling. Let's go, mechanic. And there you have it, folks. That's how you fix a rattling exhaust on a Mini Cooper. The thing has been driving me crazy for like probably 3 weeks, and it was literally maybe a 20-minute fix. I don't know. Actually, I do know why I put it off. It's because we've had so much snow, and you couldn't tell it based on how beautiful it's been. But it snowed just, well, look at my car. That tells you how much it snows, because you know how much of a freak I am about keeping my car looking clean. But yeah. Very simple, very stupid video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, stick around on the channel, and until next time, goodbye.